Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to create database in Odoo 14. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo 14 community edition which I have installed in my local system. So what we are going to do is that we are going to discuss how we can create and set up a database in Odoo. So once you finish the installation process, you will be seeing such a screen. We will be redirected to /web/database selector, and in this page we will have option to master password, database name, email, password, phone number, language, country, demo data, etc. So first of all we will be talking about the master password. So master password is a secure password which is help to protect the database operations. Like this URL will be publicly accessible, so anyone can create a database. So to prevent that, we will be keeping a secure password. So as we are accessing it for the first time, Odoo is generating a automatic password for us. That is, here you can see warning, your Odoo database manager is not protected. To secure it, we have generated the following master password for it. So here you can see Odoo has been generated a secure master password for us. And if you need to change this, so here you can see it's a combination of string and numbers, so it's difficult for you to remember it. So that if you need, you can change it from here. So you can change it from here. So you can give a new master password here. So once you give a new master password, you have to remember it for the further database operations. So here you can see it will be asked for future operations on database. Like if you need to create a new database, you will be ask for this password. Also if you need to delete a database, and for the various database operations like taking duplicate or restoring, this password will be used. So don't forget the password. So even if you forget, we can recover, because once you set the master password, it will be saved inside the Odoo configuration file. So here you can see this is the Odoo configuration file, and it will get saved inside the configuration file. So in case if you got forget that, you can recover it from your configuration file. So that's about the master password. Then you have to give a name for the database. So right now I am going to create a database in Odoo 14. So I'll give name as Odoo 14 DB. So you can give a good name, your company name, or anything you can give. So the database name is set. Then you have to set the email address. So I'll be setting email address. Either you can give a phone number, email address, anything you can give. It should be just a string. So I'll be giving the email as admin, and the password also I will give as admin. So you can see the current password is admin. And if you need to enable the password policy, like the password should be minimum 8 letters or something else, something like that, you can add it once after you create the database. There is some password policy, so after setting that, you can create the password policy. So right now I will be setting email as admin and password as admin, and there is no need to enter the phone number. I think the use of this field is this data will be sent into the Odoo for the marketing purpose, so there is no need of to enter the phone number. Then you have to select the language. So currently I will go with English US, which is the default language. And if you need to change, like the Odoo UI will be shown based on the selected language. So if you need to change, you can change it later. So by default it will be English, and you can set your country here. So based on the selected country, the localization modules will be installed in your system. That is, if I choose a country, the chart of account of that country will get installed in the database. So either you can set it as empty or choose your correct country where you are going to use the Odoo. And you can see finally we will have a boolean field, that is demo data. So if you are creating the database not for the production, for testing purpose, we need some data to work on, like if you need some customers, some products, etc. So in that case you can tick this boolean field, so that demo data will be loading into the database. So once you enter this, that is master password. So right now I am not going to change the master password. Database name is given as Odoo 14 DB, email is admin, password is admin, and phone number I am giving it as empty, language is set to English US, and I am not going to select any country. Demo data is ticked, and I'll be clicking on create database. So once you click on create database, in a few seconds a Odoo database will get created. So here you can see right now it's loading. So wait for a few seconds so that the database will install. So right now you can see the database has got installed, and we will be redirected to the apps page. So from the apps page we can install the necessary modules. Like if I need to use sales, I can install it, and if you need invoicing, website, CRM, inventory, according as you like, you can install the modules and start using it. So this is the step of how to create a database in Odoo. So just what you have to do, your IP port number /web database manager. From there you can create a database, you can delete a database, you can take a backup of a database, and different various database operations can be done using the secure master password. So you can see right now I'm just given the sales modules to install. So as it is a first module, it will be taking some times because all the base modules has to be got installed. So let's wait until the module has been got installed successfully. You can see the module has been got upgraded, and you can see the sales, invoicing, etc. So this is how you can create a database in Odoo 14. So if you have any queries, comments or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment it out or reach us over the email, that is odoomates@gmail.com. So that's all about this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.